Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up some shipping rates in Shopify store in 2024. So today we're going to guide you through the process of setting up shipping rates in your Shopify store. Setting up, of course, or setting up accurate shipping rates is crucial for ensuring a smooth checkout experience for your customer and even managing your shipping costs effectively. So let's dive into the steps of setting up shipping rates on Shopify, so make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section, type shopify.com, hit the enter button. This should take you to the home screen, main screen. Click on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, click on start free trial to create a new account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all bunch steps of creating or even logging into your account. If you created an account right now, you'll have to create a store. You basically have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, you can click on skip all the questions and your account or your store should be created. If you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself here by the beginning. So this is what you can call an admin panel. Here, where you'll be able to start doing everything. So to set up some shipping rates in Shopify, we'll need to go to shipping and delivery. Where we'll find that simply on settings. Go to the bottom left corner, click on settings, and in there you'll be taken to this page. So here, make sure to go to shipping and delivery. Click on that. Once you do so, you will find yourself in here. So here, right here, you'll be able to start configuring the shipping profiles. So shipping profiles allow you to create some different shipping rules for different products or groups of products. In the shipping and delivery settings, you will see some shipping profiles. As you can see, section. So you can simply click on new profile to create a new one, and you can set up some custom shipping rates for specific products or a group of products here or profiles. So you can even change other settings such as expected delivery dates like shop promise and manual delivery dates, or as example, some local deliveries. So of course, this shop promise, like on, you can simply, as example, install an app to do that for you, and manually you can simply add this manually for each as example. So expected delivery dates are calculated by adding a shipping rates transit time to your order processing time. So depending on the products that you add. So as you can see here, local deliveries. So deliver orders directly to customers in the area. And this will also apply to subscription orders. So you can sub, and we have pick up in store. Let's customers pick up their orders at your location. And this will also apply to subscription orders if you want to. You can add or change the delivery customization, like you can add some delivery customization. Of course, you'll need to app for that. Make sure to add this. And we have the saved packages. So simple box, and you can add like packages like a box, envelope, soft package, or satchel, depending on the box that your products will be fit in. And of course, here you can change even the third party, or you can upgrade your plan to get a third party calculated rate at checkout. You can change the packing slips, as example, change templates. You can change it however you want if you're good at coding. If you're not good at it, you can simply choose ChatGPT. It will help you out. And finally, we have the customer order fulfillment, where you're able to add whatever fulfillment service you want. So as we said before, we will need to set up, of course, shipping rates in Shopify. We'll need to set up some profiles. So now I have this as example, general for all products and rates for domestic and international. What do we have here? So for products, you can see I have all products and shipping origins. So for Morocco, as example, here I have the price is free and conditions, example, etc. I have nothing. I did not add anything. And for international, the price of the shipping, I have this one and condition, etc. So of course, I can simply add all the other things in here if I want to. So example, I'll be able to click on add rates and use like the rate type, shipping rates, customer rates name, and even the price depending on wherever it is. Of course, you can even create some new zones. So we have like, instead of international as example, you can simply set up, instead of international, just some of the countries. Of course, you can set up this in the markets. So if you go here to markets, as you can see, for me, I have just three options like active Morocco and then active international tests. So if I go back here to shipping and delivery, as an example, I'll just go to the same profile in here. Of course, like before, I can create a new profile, a new brand one. As an example, I'll just name it like test. Of course, you can name it like an example here as an example like fragile products. fragile or like big products as example or something like that, you can add specific product to it. Maybe if it's big, you will have to add the cost of the shipping. Maybe in Morocco you can even add the zone, like maybe for Algeria also as example. I'll put some specific rates example, so I'll just go here and click on add the rates. I'll be able to add the rates, maybe as example 20 or something like that, or custom name. I'll just name it like here, like this or something like that. I'll just do some random things. Example, so the price here for Algeria is 20. You can create another zone example where I don't know, puts the test zone that they have on markets, or another zone example. So maybe international, maybe just in Morocco as example. I'll just choose here Morocco, and example I can add rates. So for me, I'll just name something random here, and the price example I'll just put 10 as example because it's the main country as example. You can add rates as example to the same country, maybe for big products or something like that, and the price of the shipping will be more as example. So as you can see here, those settings you can edit them by the thing that you want. So basically you can set up the shipping zone, add the shipping rates using calculated rates if you want to. If you want to use some apps for that, as we said before. So I'll just go here and click on leave page as example. So you can use some apps for that, or upgrade the plan so it will be added. The third party app will be added automatically. You can offer some free shipping as example on big orders, not like big by size, but like a lot of products ordered. As example, if it's just some t-shirts, you can offer discounts of free shipping or something like that. You can configure some local delivery and pickup as we said before in here, and of course you can communicate the shipping rate to customers, clearly communicate that, and yeah, you should be good to go. So there you have it. You've learned how to set up some shipping rates on your Shopify store for 2024. By configuring some accurate shipping rates, you can provide a better checkout experience for your customers and manage your shipping costs effectively. So this is going to be it for more today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.